Hello folks, Waz here, B&B. What have we got here? We've got a new Audi A1 in for an ambient package, and this is what we've done. So we've emulated the factory look but with more brighter colors. We've done the little door pockets, and we've done the handles, done the dash, done the pockets. See around there, and in the back, because it's basic door cards, we've just done the handles and the pockets, etc. We have done the floor. See if I can give you an image. It's hard to tell because it's so bright. So there we are. That's my floor there, and then we can go to the door, change colors, have it symphony swipes, got a disco going on. We can do dual mode. That's my favorite. It's not for everyone, but I love it. Something like this interests you, give us a ring. We do starlights as well.